the most important wiring details that you will need when installing a radio or an alarm system or an aftermarket lighting on a 2020 Toyota Corolla. That's marquee. That's the one that has the button on it. So it's for the ones that have the smart keys. Okay, let's break it down into different sections. Okay, I'm going to talk about the radio installation first. You might need constant volt, 12 volts constant, which is you're going to find it behind the radio. Let me tell you the colors that you're gonna encounter. So for the power, it's gonna be 12 volts, lavender, light blue. It's gonna be on a plug on the back of the radio on a white or gray plug. The radio ground is gonna be white and black. And radio ignition is gonna be black. Then radio illumination is going to be pink for the parking lights and blue for the dimmer. It's going to be also on the radio on a white plug. LED front speaker, lavender yellow, lavender black, or white and black, or white black. It's going to be on the radio, on the back of the radio. Right front speaker, lavender yellow, lavender black, or lavender green, lavender blue, or green red. Left rear speaker, violet pink, or blue red. Right rear speaker is going to be violet pink. Left front speaker, green, blue. That's gonna be if you have an amp. Left front speaker, if you have an amp, it's gonna be green, blue. That's gonna be, and the amplifier is gonna be under the seat. You're gonna find a white plug, and with amp, right front speaker, yellow, black. Left front tweeter, pink, violet. Right front tweeter, yellow, black, or pink, brown. Left rear speaker with amp, black, green. Right rear speaker, red, white. Subwoofer with amp, light green, blue, or pink, violet. Audio input left, black, red. That's like the auxiliary audio input left, black, red. That's going to be on the radio on a white or gray plug. Audio input right, white, red. And rearview camera. It's going to be red, white. So I don't know if you might need this, but you might. Left front speaker size is going to be 6.3 or 6.7. Left front tweeter is going to be 1.0 or 3.1 mid-range. Right front speaker 6.3 or 6.7. That's for the right front. Right front tweeter 1.0, 3.1 mid-range. Left rear speaker 6.3 or 6.0. Right rear speaker 6.3 or 6.0. Subwoofer is going to be a 10.4. Top center of rear shelf. That's going to be for the radio. If you want to install an alarm, you're going to be needing 12 volts, which is the power. You can always find it on the battery, or it's going to be on dash fuse box on a plug, on a white plug. It's going to be the color wire. The wire of the color is going to be white. Second second power is going to be gray, behind the glove box. Ground, chassis ground 2 or white, black, behind the block compartment. It's going to be a white plug as well. A starter, if you need the starter, it's going to be green on the driver kick panel. On a gray plug. Ignition is going to be green on the dash fuse box, and a white plug. Accessory is going to be pink on the dash fuse box, rear, white plug. Ignition interrupt, red, is going to be behind the glove box, on the ECU. Ignition interrupt 2, red, is going to be on the dash fuse as well, on a white plug. You might also need, if you're doing this installation, an alarm installation, you might need a canbus high. It's going to be black on the body ECU or dash fuse on a black 30-pin plug. Canbus low, white. Canbus high 2, red. Canbus low 2, white. On the OVD data link connector is a white plug. Okay, the canbus high 2 is going to be the pin 6. Canbus low 2 is going to be pin 14. Canbus high 3, yellow, is going to be behind the glove. Canbus low 3, white, is going to be on glove box. Okay, and also you might need, power lock. Power lock is going to be same as use the factory alarm. It's going to be power lock 2, light green, on passenger switch. Dash fuse box, rear, white plug. It's going to be on a white plug. Or power unlock 2, brown, on the passenger switch. Or dash fuse box. It's going to be a white plug as well. Lock. Okay, that one you don't need. Factory arm is going to be factory alarm arm, green, on the body ECU on dash fuse. It's going to be a negative pulse. Factory alarm disarm is going to be violet, double negative pulse. It's going to be on the body ECU as well. Parking lights is going to be blue on the dash fuse, on the white plug. Parking lights negative is green on the headlight switch on a white 40-pin plug. Hazards, pink, negative, hazard switch on a black plug. Turn signal to the left is going to be blue, left front, violet, left rear, left right. It's going to be on dash fuse box on a white plug. Right turn signal, violet right, front E green, rear right. Dash fuse box on 32 white plug, and headlight is going to be red on the headlight switch. Auto lights yellow, headlight switch. Reverse light is going to be green on the dash fuse. Left door trigger, brown. They're going to be on the body ECU on dash fuse on a black pin, black plug. Left front door trigger, brown. Right front door trigger, light blue. Left rear door trigger is going to be on the dash fuse on a white plug. And right rear door trigger, gray. Dome light is going to be violet on the dash fuse box. Trunk hatch pin, light blue on the dash fuse box. Hood pin, red on the body ECU on dash fuse box. Trunk hatch release, light green. Rear handle switch, driver running board, harness to the under driver's seat. Trunk hatch release to gray on the certification ECU behind the glove. Okay, the tachometer is going to be blue. AC and the ECU behind the glove box on a white plug. Tachometer 2, pink or white on a 1.8 liter or black on the 2.0 liters on the engine top driver side. Okay, you might also need brake wire, light blue. And horn trigger is going to be blue on the dash fuse. Horn trigger 2, violet. Horn switch clock spring. Horn factory alarm, yellow. And for if you're gonna do like lighting aftermarket, you might also need to know well, I think I went over the turning signal, so yeah, you got all the what you need for lighting as well. So always make sure that's your basic wiring map for the 2020 Toyota Corolla, covering the radio, alarm, and aftermarket light installation. Always verify with the multimeter before tapping any wires. Use fuse, solder, or proper connectors, and double check polarity. If this guide helped you, like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys.